Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the upcoming Infinix Hot 10 smartphone from the smartphone brand which is launching very soon. Now, ahead of the launch, the company has revealed the full specification of the device along with the images on the official website. The smartphone will feature a MediaTek Helio G70, and the Infinix Hot 10 comes in with a quad rear camera setup similar to the most other smartphones. Now let's have a look at the detailed specification of the device. The Infinix Hot 10 comes with 6.78-inch HD plus IPS LCD panel with a display resolution of 720 by 60 by 1640, and also it comes with 4 types of internal storage and RAM. It comes in 64 gig internal storage, 3 gig RAM, 64 gig internal storage, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig internal storage, 4 gig RAM, and also 128 gig internal storage, 6 gig RAM. And also the Infinix Hot 10 features a quad rear camera including the 16 MP wide, 2 MP macro, 2 MP depth, and also for the selfie camera is single 8 MP wide, and the both camera is capable of recording at 1080p videos at 30 fps. And this Infinix Hot 10 comes with 5200 mAh battery, which comes with a 10-watt charging support and a micro USB port for charging. And the fingerprint sensor rests on the rear panel of the device, and the device support face unlock too. So similar to every other device in the market, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with dual SIM along with dedicated memory card slots and Wi-Fi connectivity. And also it runs on Android 10 based on SOS 7, which offer intelligent features along with the latest native Android features. The Infinix Hot 10 comes with the DTS audio processing and also features a music party mode. I'm very sure you are amazed with this phone specification. Now, what are your thoughts on the Infinix Hot 10? Comments down below. And again, before the end of this video, please give this video a thumbs up like, and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel so that you don't miss out in my next hot video.